what is reputed to be Great Britain's worst snowstorm for 30 years has not only been the cause of complete chaos on the roads with the dislocation of omnibus and tramcar services, but in South Wales of the collapse of telephone lines, and in some cases the poles themselves gave way. The safe return of a party of young choir girls after having been snowbound in a coach for nearly 40 hours brought to an end one of the most dramatic episodes. The children had to walk 18 miles through the snow without food or drink, and there was great relief in Aberdare when they eventually arrived unharmed. But the havoc of the blizzard was soon followed by the devastation of the floods, as thousands of tons of water were released when the thaw set in. There was great damage to crops as fields in the Shepperton district were completely flooded, and traffic continued to be disorganized as the roadways became submerged. People living in the Thames Valley were the worst sufferers, and riverside residents were enabled to satisfy their nautical ambitions in full as the Thames arrived at their front door.